Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I set up for my photo shoot for my online boutique. I went from a carpeted area to an area with vinyl planks. This look was a lot more elevated than before, so just stay tuned if you would like to see more of this, and do not forget to like this video as well as subscribe to my channel. The first thing I did was I went to Walmart. To get the self-adhesive vinyl planks. These planks were $14.94 a piece, and I ended up getting 6 packs of the vinyl planks. I went with this color because it was dark, as well as, and I thought that it would go well with the wall, which is somewhat of an off-white look. After I purchased those, I went to Lowe's to get some wood to go underneath the vinyl. Before, I had some cardboard, and that didn't work because when I stood on top of the vinyl, it would punch holes. The heels would punch holes in the vinyl. This time I'm hoping that the wood will be more durable than it was before. So this is how it looked before. Again, as you can see, I had carpet, and I wanted to create something that was a little more different and that didn't cost as much. So I'm taking the wood pieces and I am laying them down vertically. This worked out better for me as far as the measurements of the area. You would just need to measure your area to see what works best for you. And I believe I ended up buying 6 of those wood pieces. I wanted to buy extra just in case, so I wouldn't have to go back to the store. After I laid those down, I started to attach or stick the vinyl planks to the wood pieces. They're very easy. As you can see, all I'm doing is just pulling the paper off the bag and just sticking them to the floor. I did make sure I put them as close as possible to make sure there are no gaps in the floor, so it looks like a real floor. So I just repeated these steps all the way through. When I got to the middle, I wanted to make sure that it was not going to come apart, so I tried to make sure I put those vinyl pieces over the middle. I could have taken it over just a little bit further to make sure it stands, but this will do for now. This process probably took me about 30 minutes to do in total. Very quick and easy, and as you can see, it has already changed the look of the area. So I went ahead and did a second row because I wanted to have enough area to not only take pictures, but as well as be able to take videos. So that way, when I walk forward, you wouldn't be able to see the carpeted area. So again, I'm just repeating the same steps over and over, peeling the paper off and laying the vinyl planks down. And you would just do this for the amount of area that you would like. Probably could do an entire room this way if you want something just quick and easy. For me personally, I left it like this, so I really don't move it much. I would probably choose an area that I could leave it this way, or area that doesn't have as much traffic if you're having guests over. Now I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is how it looks after. And this is just going to be me celebrating that I actually did it and I love the results. And now I'm just going to set up this little stand, add a flower and a mirror just to complete this look. And this is how it looked before and after. You can see a big difference in the picture. If you love what you saw today, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you can check out the next DIY video of how to make thank you cards.